Hi friends, do you have any pets at home? We're going to read a story by Dr. Seuss called What Pet Should I Get? Could it be a fish, a bird, a cat, or a dog? We want a pet. We want a pet. What kind of pet should we get? Dad said we could have one. Dad said he would pay. I went to the pet shop. I went there with Kay. So we went in. That's kind of fun to look at a pet store. I took one fast look. I saw a fine dog who shook hands. So we shook. So I said, I want him. And then Kay saw a cat. It gave her a pat. And she said, I want that. Then Kay said, now what do you think we should do? Dad said to pick one. We cannot take home two. Then what do you know? We saw two other kinds. Now how could Kay and I make up our minds? A pup and a kitten, they look like great fun. Now which one would we pick? We could only have one. Make up your mind. The cat or the dog, the kitten, the pup? Oh boy, this is something to make our mind up. Then I looked all around and saw something with wings. I said, look at him. We can pick up one that sings. But then, look over there, said my sister Kay. We can go home with our rabbit today. Then I looked at Kay and I said, what will we do? I like all the pets. Then I see, so do you. We have to pick one pet and pick it out soon. You know, Mother told us to be back by noon. And I could have done it. I could have, but I bet I could have said, what pet should we get? But you know what Kate did? Do you know what she did? She said, fish, fish, fish. It may be a fish. Is that the pet that we wish? Then I saw a new kind. Then they were good too. How could I pick one? Now what should we do? We could only pick one. That is what my dad said. And now how could I make up my mind in my head? Oh my goodness. Look at all the animals. What does it say? Make up your mind. Pick a pet fast. Pick one out soon. Mother and Dad said, be home by noon. The time may be now to make up our mind, but who knows that other good pets I might find. I might find a new one, fast kind of thing, who would fly around my head and a ring on a string. Yes, but that would be fun. But our house is so small, things on a string would bump into the walls. My mother, I know, would not like that at all. I don't know if my mom would like that too. So maybe other good kind of pet, another kind maybe is what we should get. We might find a new kind, a pet who is tall, a tall pet that would fit in small spaces. That is small. My mother might like this pet best of all. Would you like something that tall? If we had a big tent, then we would be able to take home a yent. Dad would like us to have a good yent, but how do I know he would pay for a tent? So you see how it is when you pick up a pet, how you make up your mind and what to get. What? What if we took one of each kind of pet? Then our house would be full of pets we would get. No, Dad would be mad. We only have one. If you do not choose, we will end up with none. Lots of choices. I will do it right now. I will do what I said. I will make up my mind. That is up in my head. The dog or the rabbit, the fish or the cat. I'd pick one out fast. And then that was that. What could it be? They're not going to tell us. What do you think it is? Think about it. Bye, friends.